Hi guys, it's Matthew again, and today is 1st of December 2022. Let me close that trade right there. So I quickly placed a trade here because I saw the movement of the chart. You can see we've already won that trade there. That's $35 right there. So we are trading the touch, no touch again, and we are trading the touch. So we are trading volatility 75 1x in this strategy. This is our second strategy for today, 1st of December 2022. And for those who haven't purchased our boat, the TOUCHSCALPER boat, has a boat right there, and it's just 9.99 USD. You can see the boat. All our boats now comes with the free Forex trading ebook and free Forex trading robot, and also the free synthetic indices ebook with 4 free synthetic indices binary options boats. So this is the link to order the TOUCHSCALPER boats: www.touchscalper.cty technologies.com.ng, and the PIPSREAPER boat as well. It also comes with the free ebooks and the free Forex robots and the synthetic indices robot. So any boats you purchase, you get all our free ebooks, and we've also released the free ebooks on our YouTube channel. You can check the links to download the ebooks on our Google Drive. So this is the link to order the PIPSREAPER boat. It's just 7.99 USD. To order the boat, all you have to do is to visit binary PIPSREAPER boat.cty technologies.com.ng to order the boats. And this is the synthetic indices ebook. This is what you get as well when you order the boat. You get the 4 free binary options boat. You can see the boats right there, and this is the Forex trading ebook as well, which also includes the free Forex trading automated robot with TOUCHSCALPER automated trading boat. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. So here are the links. We'll paste all the links in the video description on YouTube. So let's quickly make some money there. You can see the movement is going right up again, so I quickly place a trade right there. You can see we've already won that trade as well. We won that trade. We made about almost $100. We won 3 trades just within few seconds. So these are the links again. This is the link to order the PIPSREAPER boat, and this is the link to order the TOUCHSCALPER boat. We're going to paste all this in the video description on YouTube. So this is the link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account. These are the links to subscribe to our channels: the first channel, the second channel, and the third channel. So these are the links to download the free ebook. We are going to paste everything in the video description on YouTube. So if you are watching on YouTube, just expand the video description to check all these links. First, we have to sign up for a free Forex trading account using this link or this link. Sign up first, then you download the ebook. You get the free Forex trading automated robot and all the steps to follow. You can use any of these links to download the free Forex trading ebook. And for the synthetic indices, this is the link to download the synthetic indices ebook, which contains the 4 free binary options automated trading books, and also the registration links to sign up. So these are forum website. You can read the tutorials here. So let's get back here to the trading. Don't forget we've won 3 trades already. We made about $100. Depends on what you have in your account. You can make more than that if you have a lot of funds in your account. So once you choose the volatility 75 1x, remember we are on the D trader and we are on dark mode. To change to dark mode, all you have to do is to click on platform settings, then you click on dark mode. So you go to the trade type, you click touch, no touch, then you set the durations to 10 ticks. You can see right there, 10 ticks. All you have to do is to click this thing to set to 10 ticks. You set the barrier offset to plus 1.08. So we are going to be placing the trade if this thing is pushing right up, or it drops down twice and goes right up. You can see, let's just watch. We are going to be clicking on touch, don't forget. Okay, it has dropped down there, so you have to wait for it to be going right up before you place the trade. So it went right up there, so I click on it. Okay, we lost that trade there, so we're going to trade again. That's our first loss. We've already made 3 wins. so we have to wait for it to go right up before we place the trade. So we place another trade there because it's pushing right up. So you can see we've won that trade already. So we won 4 trades. So we're going to place another trade again. Let's wait for it to go right up. You can see it's going right up, so we placed another trade there. So you can see we won that trade. We won 5 trades. We only lost just 1 trade. We won 5 trades. So if you watch carefully, you can make a lot of money using this strategy. So make sure it's pushing right up. If it's down, don't place the trade. Make sure it's going right up before you place the trade. Thanks for watching. Bye.